Did you know that NFT is one of the most searched topics in 2021? There was a point in 2021 when NFT was actually searched more than cryptocurrency. I mean, can you even imagine it? That's how much NFT boomed. But right now, I'm telling you that you should not be investing your money or you should not be spending your time and effort into making an NFT in 2022. I'm going to explain you the reasons why. So an extremely important video. Make sure you do watch this video till the end. Now last year, artists, entrepreneurs, youngsters, उन्होंने काफी पैसा बनाया NFT से. People have made millions, thousands of dollars from selling NFT or by making NFT. The overall sales of NFT last year was more than $17 billion. From people selling their NFT for $69 million, from NFT artists being displayed on the Times Square, to even youngsters like a 12-year-old people or 12-year-old kids making millions or thousands of dollars by selling NFT. So the big question is, should you be making NFT right now in 2022? Now NFTs are not a quick get rich scheme. अगर आप ये प्लान कर रहे हो कि अगर आप एक NFT स्टार्ट करोगे just to make money, then trust me, you will struggle right now. And the reason for this is because the overall NFT का जो market है वो काफी saturated हो चुका है. The number of people who are making NFTs are much higher than the overall demand for NFT right now. अगर आप NFT का जो term check करोगे Google में worldwide, the term has seen a massive drop in search. And it's just not NFT. Even as a Metaverse, if you see, both Metaverse and NFT has seen a massive drop in the overall search itself. Yes, there was a time that it peaked, but right now the entire bubble is kind of bursting. And because of which the demand for NFT or the demand for Metaverse is dropping in 2022. As per the Financial Times, the average selling price of these NFTs have dropped by nearly 48% as compared to last year. Even if you see OpenSea, जो OpenSea है, that is the biggest trading platform for NFT. The overall sales which is happening on OpenSea has dropped by nearly 80% as compared to last year, just in March. So you can imagine the kind of drop that is there in the demand side of NFT. So अगर आप इस entire concept पे completely नए हो, if you're planning on starting NFT right now and you're planning on making NFT, understand that the demand part is not there. So if you are spending your time and effort, then definitely it will not be useful. So the big question is, what is the way forward for NFTs? So the NFTs जो एक सिर्फ एक digital art का purpose solve कर रहे हैं, those NFTs have lost the charm. But what is still sustaining is the functional NFTs. So what are functional NFTs? Any NFT which is serving a purpose, which is serving a function. Now, for example, it gives you an exclusive access to a membership or to a private group or an event, right? There's an invitation to an event. So any NFT which is serving a purpose, which is serving a function, is your functional NFTs. Now, for example, Dolce & Gabbana, when they recently sold their NFT, they sold both wearable and digital items. So it wasn't just a digital art which they gave, they also gave wearable items with it. Or if you have the play to earn NFTs, right? So these kind of NFTs which serve a function, these are the NFTs which are still sustaining right now. Second thing which you need to understand is, if you want to be in the NFT space right now, then you need to make a long-term plan. And this long-term plan is mainly because आपको अगर NFT में enter करना है, then you will have to make a community. You will need a certain followers on multiple social media pages because you have to give people a reason why they should buy your NFT. The overall demand for NFT has dropped. So definitely they will not buy NFT from a random person. So you will need to make a community. You will need to make a strong follower base, which will require time and effort. Third thing which you need to know is that Ethereum, which is a dominant currency for transactions of NFT, has dropped in value by almost 40% as compared to November last year. Now because of this, जो जितने भी projects हैं जो decentralized finance में या फिर जो Ethereum blockchain में थे, they have also lost their value, and this is mainly because of the Russia-Ukraine situation. Now a very simple example is CryptoPunks, जो एक काफी famous NFT है. There was an auction of CryptoPunks in February which got cancelled, and the seller decided to hold on to it mainly because the NFT market has lost the demand and because Ethereum has lost its value. And the fourth point which you need to understand is, whenever you are selling NFT, you will have to pay gas fee, and the gas fee is quite high. Now to help you understand कि gas fee होता क्या है, in very simple terms, whenever you are selling NFT or whenever you are minting NFT, in that case, that NFT requires to be validated. Now the validation process consumes energy, and you pay for this energy consumption in form of gas fees. Now the gas fees usually ranges between $50 to $100, so it is not cheap. When you convert $100 into rupees, it is definitely not cheap. So as a buyer, A person needs a proper reason in terms of why that person should be spending that gas fee in order to buy your NFT. So you need to understand that because the demand is less, people will be very careful in terms of what they are buying right now. So in summary, NFT right now is definitely a risky and a volatile investment. If you want to enter the NFT space, you need to think from a long-term perspective and not from a short-term perspective. You need to think at least from a 3 to 5 year perspective. Also, you need to understand the value of NFT is clearly what the demand is. So if the demand is high, definitely your NFT will be quite valuable. It all depends on what people are willing to pay for it. There is no particular amount of money which can be allocated to it. So I hope you have understood that why NFT should not be made right now, why you should not be spending your time and effort in making NFT right now. So if you did find this video useful, do like it, do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.